I'll show you how to go from this to this. First three things that you do, you take out these 3 Torx screws right here. We're just going to access the back of that. I've already got them loose, so we'll just spin those the rest of the way out, like so. It's like a little T15. Then you pull this back, and you've got these little slide pin lock things in here. All right, there. So you push that up, and then you lose it forever down here in the abyss. You find it again. Then you gotta do the same thing on this one. So what you do is they're in there like that, so you gotta push that in. This little tab here, you push that and then pop it up, and it releases the light, like so. And then you gotta unplug it somewhere back there. Get another little tool. There we go. How it works. So it's plugged in like that. You've got to slide your little red lock pin back like that, and then there's this little push piece there, and you just push that, unplug it like so. We'll get our new ones from Recon Get Lit. See, they are side specific, and they even send you new ones of those, so it's always best to go ahead and reuse use the new stuff that they send. So we'll do that. All right, so you got to plug it up through here, so don't like plug it up and then try to put it in. That won't work. Oh, so push, plugs out like a dream. Be sure to put your little red little locking pin back on it. Then we'll put our little Torx head bolts back in. We'll peel off our plastic. Get it all out from in there. And that's it.